Bam! What's going on, y'all? Okay, first call. Only call because it's actually 4:41. Decided to record today. Got this old biddy right here. Serial 1703, maybe, yeah. 2003, maybe. Oh, way off, sorry. It says it right there, you idiot. 2006. She's not running. Let's pop this door off and smash that like button, please. One of those. And let's get started. Alright, so by the way, I got this Milwaukee one and I don't like it. It doesn't, it's only been a couple months old and it seems to already have failed. Alright, ECM motor must have been ahead of its time back in the day, so let's grab ourselves a capacitor. We're gonna go ahead and check. Make sure we got all of our volt. I didn't even check to see if we had voltage. So our line voltage is right. So we got 234 coming in. .234 passing through. Our G, and we'll just go right here. Like an ain't called a G. Let's check off of the common here. Nothing. So, guess what's about to come into play? My favorite tool, Jumper King. God, this truck is too goddamn small. By the way, this is a fantastic like sleeper bag. I picked it up like thinking I was gonna use it just as what it was, like a big old tote. In general, yep, 26 volts. So we got voltage going to the board. I didn't even look at this, but I like to give it the old smell, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use this thing again. If you guys aren't using it, I think it's a great diagnostic tool. I'll use my 24 right there to my G, and I'll put it on Y as well. So we got 24 applied, right? Let's do this. So we got this 24 volt to the board there. Y call, G call, boom. That. All right. You see that there? Bada bing, bada boom. Click on the Y. Yep. And boom. There we go. Too quick, too easy. We're not getting the call from the thermostat.
Wrong.
What I'm gonna do, I'll go ahead and poke my head over here. I don't think your boy has a thermostat on the truck. I've done a terrible job of actually stocking this thing up since we've switched to it. I'm gonna get shelving in here, but I don't know, I'm waiting for that new Milwaukee pack out shelving. I don't know if y'all seen it. The rack system looks pretty badass, so I'll probably get that. Boom. Every technician right there, bro. Every senior tech. Go check it out there, boom. Yeah, like I said, 06 is double deuce, bro, but this thing's been rocking, man. Almost 20 years old. Honestly, there's no sense in really being too concerned about that. Ooh. You know what that means. Let me go ahead and turn this power back on. Oh no, Make sure I got my voltages here. got that. Pause momentarily while I inspect the rest of the situation. All right. So, did all the testing. Thermostat, bada bing, bada boom. That wasn't the issue. The issue is we're getting 24 volts from the board here, right? It's getting 24 volts there, but it's not sending the 24 volts out to the call for our stat and our fan, or our wire, our fan, anything like that. So this board has failed. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna put a jumper between her and her and her, and we'll be in good shape. So we're just gonna get them AC, and I told them until we get that board, I know they like to keep it like 80 degrees. We're gonna have to flip this breaker on and off, and then hopefully just have something in stock and we'll get back at here tomorrow and cha. So let's go ahead and get that going for them. Since I don't have any stat wire in the truck, what I have to do is take a piece of this wire off of her, and then I'm gonna end up cutting it into that 24 and wire nutting it. Right? You picking up what I'm putting down so far, y'all? And then what I'll be able to do from there is wire nut everything together to where the thermostat to where the compressor and the these wires probably aren't good to be putting in my mouth. So we'll God dang it. We'll jump everything out. You're picking up what I'm putting down, right? Right. Si señor. Poquito. Exquisite Espanol, Kraus. Thank you. Si. Mañana. And since I don't even have any snap wire, just like I said, we're gonna jerry rig this thing to fucking come on for them. Okay. I'm a sweaty pig right now. What? So we're gonna jump all these suckers out. I don't even think I have fucking... God damn it. I really gotta get that truck stopped. Fan should kick on. There she goes. Refrigerant is flowing. Bada bing, bada boom. We got them air, baby, for the night. Until we can get them a motherboard. A motherboard! I do hate that term, but it's a pretty good way of letting the customer know that what it is. So, wow. He doesn't know how to use a drill. This is embarrassing. Bam! And like that, I'm going to conclude this portion, and I'm going to just, you know how it does, a monologue on the way out. I'm going to catch y'all in the vehicular. And like that, that'll conclude, today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Man, obviously my initial thoughts were thermostat, and it just led me down the rabbit hole. That's what my diagnosis was accurate, and y'all already know, man. Once we kind of get on that trail of what we think it is, we find evidence to prove that's what it is, if that makes sense. Like, instead of, all right, hold on, take a step back, let me just make sure. Even though, you know, a thermostat's quick and simple, and anyways, I was just like, yeah, it's got to be it, right? So I just went through the trouble of installing a thermostat, and that wasn't it. And If I would have just checked at the board first and then checked to see if I had power coming out of the board, then we wouldn't have been in this situation. But we got into it. It is what it is, man. Just have proper procedures for yourself set up in place to where when you're diagnosing a system the way it is, that you always can just, I don't know, the sequence of operation changes on systems. It's a whole thing. You get it. We've all been there. So end result is the same, which is all that matters. We get the customer cooling, all that good stuff, because that's our goal, man. Just get the system operational. I'll be back. The board is ordered. Won't be until tomorrow afternoon, but will be, so 2 days from now, basically, because the truck comes in at like 3:30 or something, and they close at 4, something like that. Anyways, I hope y'all got something out of that. Enjoyed the content. If you could, smash that like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Later.